tingin ko mas okay by group kasi makaka-create ka ng friendship. And then, sobrang grabe makatipid sa gas. Rather than driving na kami lang sa bus, madami kang kasama, tapos marami kayong mapupuntahan.
Hindi rin nasakit ang ulo mo kaka-waste, no?
Tapos mas informative na siya kasi nakaset up yung pupuntahang venue.
Good free food. Have you found any venue na medyo na feel nyo na you'd like to have your wedding there? May napili na ba kayo?
For QC tour, actually, mas gusto ko sana tagal.
Okay.
I'm waiting for that tagal. Pero in QC, I like Fernwood.
Yung Fernwood sa Vegas.
Yeah.
Okay, sa akin natin. Do you think the price of the tour is reasonable for you?
Yeah, super sulit. Great value for money. Kasi mura lang namin siya nakuha through bridal care.
So, would you recommend again this activity to your upcoming friends nyo?
Actually,
Thank you so much.
Nakaapat na ano kami dito.
Talaga? Ang taray. Oo, suki pala. O yun, thank you very much for your time. And hope makapili na rin kayo para hindi na kayo naman. Okay, thank you so much.